I think you guys have sort of become, someone that a lot of owners are aspiring to. They see you guys, what you guys are doing, and, and want that too. Can you, before we get into like the house and stuff, is it worth it? Like, I mean, you guys own a lot of laundromats. You're dealing with a lot of machines, a lot of people. It's a big business you guys are running. What's it like to actually own a business like that?
It is absolutely worth it. Yes, without a doubt. What a blessing to be able to serve as many people as we do serve with the 33 laundromats that we currently own. And we have a fantastic team who we treat like family because they are family. Our families are blessed by it. We're, creating a legacy for them, and start with one and just go from there. Serve those customers very well. Treat your staff like gold. And if there's an opportunity for number 2, for number 22, for number 52, take it. Our dad was woken up one night when he was at a crossroads, and the Lord just kind of spoke 3 words to him, and that was serve more people. And so we have taken that mantle also and just decided that what we want to do, we do with excellence. It just happens to be in the laundry industry, and that our goal truly is to serve more people and to do it at a level that just hasn't historically happened in our industry. So we have a lot of fun doing it. I mean, if anybody follows Luke, they see how much fun he has, definitely. I mean, I get to have fun too. Maybe not quite the same level, but numbers are always so fun.
What's your fun look like? Like even cells around spreadsheets and
we're just very fortunate because our skill sets are different, but they complement each other.
Complementary,
and we're best friends and biggest fans, like I said, and we work really hard. I mean, Lee tells me to take a vacation every week, but I never listen. He's trying to save money because I'm out finding stores where we're going to have to invest money. So the running joke around here is just going to send me to Costa Rica for the
6
whole
months.
6 months starting 2023, just so we can stop growing. But no, it's a lot of fun. I kind of serve as chief operating officer, and Lee kind of handles CFO, and together we kind of make decisions, and it's a lot of fun. We joke, I don't even check the bank account or anything like that. I trust him, to do that part. And he trusts me with the general contracting and the hiring of technicians and stuff like that. But I get asked a lot, Jordan, Luke, you're coaching me to get a laundromat from some of my clients. Why are you out like on a roof working so hard? I said, it's because I love it. And also it's because it's what got me here, but you have to fall in love with what you're doing. The thing they always say, if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And I honestly love what I do. I've taken the passion that I have for like sports back in the day and put that same hustle and passion into what we do. Yeah. And Lord's gone before us every step of the way. Each one of our almost 70 employees is a testimony in itself of just how we met them and how they came on.